Phòng 786 Iprc School, Hà Nội, Việt Nam. This is my picture bank. The reason I came from this idea is I like plan and like to discover something plan. To make this I need many of the main board, 2 servo, 2 all sensor, and 1 battery. The most important is the CPU. And I draw this leaf by 3D pen. How this works is I will examine with the white spider. The white spider will go into the plant and it will close the leaf on the main board, and the spider will be deposit this.
First, I programmed the default status for the 2 servos. Next, I programmed the infrared sensor. When the first sensor receives the signal, prey flies into the tree. The upper servo will close to the lower servo will swallow prey. Same with second sensor.
Thank you for listening. If you like this video, like and share this video. Goodbye.